Collocation of preposition. Adjective plus preposition. Angry about, annoyed about, excited about, furious about, happy about, nervous about, worried about. Angry at, bad at, clever at, excited at, expert at, good at, hopeless at, awful at, slow at, terrible at. Astonished at or by, amazed at, amazed by, surprised at, surprised by, shocked at, shocked by, eligible for, famous for, responsible for, notorious for, sorry for, well known for, ready for, afraid of, ashamed of, aware of, capable of, conscious of, envious of, fond of, frightened of, full of, jealous of, mad of, proud of, sort of, suspicious of, tired of, careful of, sick of, typical of, addicted to, engaged to, married to, similar to, sympathetic to, accustomed to, opposed to. Angry with, annoyed with, bored with, disappointed with, furious with, happy with, pleased with, content with, satisfied with, intelligent with, friendly with, sympathetic with, generous with, awkward with, different from, disqualified from, interest in, involved in, keen on, easy on, hard on, rough on, soft on, strict on, tough on. Noun plus preposition. Approval of, awareness of, cause of, example of, hatred of, love of, understanding of. Concern for, desire for, fondness for, hope for, grasp for, need for, reason for, request for, respect for, thirst for. Belief in, increase in, decrease in, rise in, fall in, interest in, success in, participation in. Answer to, invitation to, reaction to, reply to, solution to, addiction to. Per plus preposition. Account for, applies to, for somebody and applies for something or somebody. Apply for, believe in, belong to, benefit from, bring up, care for, or care about. Coincide with, comply with, cope with, concentrate on, depend on, die of, differ from, dispose of, focus on, give up, grow up, insist on, laugh at, smile at, listen to, look at, look for, look after, look into. Look forward to, make up, pay for, prepare for, rely on, search for, stem from, study for, suffer from a particular illness or a physical problem. Talk to, talk with somebody, talk to or talk with somebody. Talk about, talk of somebody or something. Think about, think of, wait for, worry about.